In this episode, I'm going to talk how you can immediately increase your rates while still talking about the therapeutic treatment plan you have for your patients and not do it in a gross, salesy kind of way. Stay tuned. Are you to make the decision or the assumption that these people can't afford what you have to offer? Even if it's a program that you've been wanting to put together and you know that if people commit to a 12-week program, or if they commit to your online course, or if they do X, Y, or Z, that they are going to get results faster than if they were to do it on their own, who are you not to share that information with these people? It is your obligation and your right to make sure that they have all of the information that they need at their beck and call, which also means that price is no longer an issue because you have been coming from a place of service. You're not saying, hey, here's a new patient. How much money can I put into my pockets from each single one of these people? That is not where you're coming from. You're coming from a place of service, meaning you are just offering them the suggestions that you believe are going to help them the most. And if you're not doing that, then I encourage you to reflect back on the previous year and see, where were my limitations? Where was I getting in my own way? Maybe this is why my patient retention isn't as good as it should be. Maybe this is why my revenue growth isn't as quick as it should be. Maybe this is why whatever the issues are happening. Most likely it's something to do with what you are putting out there or not putting out there, if that may be the case. Thank you for tuning in to the Profitable Practice Podcast. Did you like this video? If so, give it a thumbs up, leave a comment below, and definitely subscribe to the channel. If you want to listen to the rest of the podcast episode, be sure to click the link in the description below. And if you're looking for even more resources on how you can create a profitable practice, I encourage you to sign up for the freebie we also have in the description. You will automatically be put onto our newsletter list where you will get first dibs on every new episode, as well as any new training or online series or freebies that I'm giving away throughout the year. Your commitment towards learning the business side of your practice matters. Stay positive, keep taking those baby steps, and promise me that you are going to take imperfect action every single day. Remember, your patients or clients are reaching their hand for you to help them. There is no excuse why you can't provide the help that they need. So stop getting in your way, continue to learn, take those baby steps, and as I said, take that imperfect action every single day. Thank you so much for watching, and I will catch you on the next episode of the Profitable Practice Podcast.